This time of the year, absolutely phenomenal. All those wonderful berries. It's thickened with natural Greek yogurt and then finished with the most amazing champagne.
Milk.
This is a little bit of magic. The fresh vanilla seed. Flatten it down all the way, open it up, scrape out the seeds. In whiskey and the vanilla.
Mint.
Gives a really nice sort of fresh and even more fragrant perfume to the meringue. Bring that up to the ball. The meringue. 3 egg whites. Make sure there's no yolk in that egg white whatsoever. And whip up your egg white.
Lemon.
Squeeze the lemon juice in.
Sugar.
Whack it up full blast. Look, these wonderful, nice, rich meringue. Milk's just come up to the ball. Get your spoon in the egg white, and then with another spoon, quenelle. Then into the milk. When you spoon the milk over the meringue, it stops them from sticking together. And just leave them poaching there on the side for about 4 or 5 minutes. The most exciting thing about making this soup, it's like the ultimate smoothie.
Blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, red currants.
And the secret is to allow the fruit to go overripe, so the flavour is extraordinary.
Mint. Yogurt. Cream.
And this is where it starts to get really exciting. Champagne, off, 300 ml. Fucking hell, it's fucking everywhere. Ready, steady, twat. Who was that? If you don't want to use champagne, sparkling wine, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that gets rid of that sort of very strong acidity flavour. Lid on.
Blitz.
Pour into your bowl. Beautiful colour. Carefully lift out your meringue and just sit on top of the soup. And there.
Summer berry and champagne soup with floating islands. Done.
Fuck me. It smells delicious.